What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Today we're taking a look at the Acura Integra Type S, PRL intake, more turbo noises, but what if we had more turbo noises? Boomba! Racing right here. So this is going to give you some more of that. Okay, maybe not that crazy, but it's not a blow-off valve. It's a bypass valve, so it's still full recirculating, which is good because it's what this car needs. It needs to be full recirculating or it'd be weird. Check out the build quality. Brass piston inside, holds up to 75 psi, can take anything. The OEM one is plastic, and I can show you where that one is. It's on the turbo itself. So if you can see this little tube right here, it's right here. And it's 310 millimeters. Wish I can just do it easily like that if it was more accessible, but for the most part, you have to unplug this wastegate plug and then kind of shift, like move this intake manifold thing out so you can get access to those bolts. And then we can do some sound comparisons because that's all you guys are here for. Doesn't make a difference. What's my opinion on them? So let's get to it. All right, so for you to get access to the Boomba bypass valve, it's this tube right here that kind of hooks up to all these brackets. You have to remove this inlet. There's two little bolts right here. They're 10s and there's one up top. Loosen up the hose clamp. Also, you want to disconnect this wastegate little sensor thing right here. Pop that out. And then there's two 10s kind of holding the bracket onto the thing. After that, the bottom, there are some two 12s, one on each side. Boom, boom. Remove that. And you should have enough clearance to do everything else. All right, so you can see the bypass valve right here. The turbo is right here. That was where the inlet is. So there are three 10s holding it. 1, 2, and the one at the bottom. And then the little tube. So you just have to get that. Some people just use 10 millimeter. Here are the 10 mils. There's a little short stubby one. Dang, there's like no room. But crack it loose. There it is. Stock boy. And just comparison with the Boomba. Boomba! So you want the Boomba. I guess you want the Boomba text facing up. That way the orientation is the same. Fully recirculating. Sweet. Time to install it in reverse. Alright, so everything is wrapped up, back together, plugs in, of course that's in and all that. And yeah, maybe I'll just show you some sound cues. Pretty much gonna hear from the intake side, so let's see if I can set you guys right here without falling out. So I can tell you it sounds different, a little bit louder, not that much. But yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up, drive around. Probably drive around when it's a little bit nicer outside. All right, that concludes the Boomba BPV bypass valve. It does sound a little bit louder, barely. What you can hear the difference really is the tone's a little bit different. It does have the a little bit. It doesn't have like the flutter because that's like the turbo. Like, I don't want to get into it, but it does have a different sound signature from the stock one. The volume is a little bit, if I'm like scrutinizing it, just a little bit more. You won't be able to tell the difference most of the time. From the interior, windows down and up, you gotta have your windows down to really hear it, even with the intake, but it's a big difference in terms of that different sound note. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys were interested, I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase the Boomba. Anyways, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.